Yes, hi, hello, namaste, good evening to all. Myself, Murali PG. Regarding with the Unacademy, I am one of the plus educator. I am taking a biology class for KCET. With respect to Unacademy, focusing towards Karnataka CET, we introduce some of the courses with the subscription, that is plus subscription courses. Best plan for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants with the following 12 month, 6 month and 1 month category plan, and we are with the detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz. Mega quiz will be there. Once you subscribe, you will get unlimited access to all our classes. During the subscription, use my code KCET Murali and get 10% off regarding with the price value. How to get into this plus subscription, and also I am taking several special classes. How to enter to the special class here. With respect to Unacademy, we are with the Unacademy Learners app. Download it from Play Store and install it. Then under search goal, select state CET, under which Karnataka CET, and with respect to myself, my name is Murali PG. Search for that class or use my code KCET Murali to become a new active learner to enter into my special class. Then if you follow me in Unacademy, you will going to get all the notification regarding with my classes. That is one important thing. For special class and also plus course, you have to follow this rule, and for plus course you have to pay the money. Special class, then YouTube classes are free. Okay. Karnataka CET 2021 comprehensive batch with the complete syllabus coverage is going to be covered, and tips and tricks by top educators, practice topic wise practice questions, and full length mock test will be there. Myself, I am taking this class along with the other three respected educators. So use my code and get 10% off regarding with this class also. And third one is the Mestos batch. We started it from 15th of December, and you can have this class under plus course category. Then comprehensive batch is also there. So 12-month plan, 6-month plan, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, course completion in Kannada language also, multiple batches launching in every month. So use it and get a good benefit from our side. So as a result, you can prepare in good manner to achieve your goal in the oncoming Karnataka CET. So best plans for 2021 aspirants. So daily T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET, that is also there, and we started it from 2nd of November. So you can enroll your name. So for all these things, you have to do one thing. You have to download Unacademy Learners app, install it, and later in the search goal, select Karnataka CET, state CET followed by Karnataka CET, and under Karnataka CET for biology, you can put my name, that is Murali PG, or use my code, that is KCET Murali, to enter into the special class, my special class, as a new learner. Okay, this is the important note towards the students. Okay, today's class that is related with the human digestive system. Yes, Satvik, Mahima, Chirag, welcome to the class. Namaste, good evening to all. and now I will going to discuss with respect to questions under this human digestive system or digestion phenomena. Okay, yeah. The first question: the mucosal layer in the stomach forms what? So irregular fold, isn't it? It will going to form irregular fold. That foldings are called what? Villi, lumen, then rugae and crypts of Liberca. So which is the right answer for the first question? It is called rugae. So mucosal layer in the stomach forms irregular foldings. So foldings are there in the case of stomach wall of the stomach. So it is the irregular in arrangement, and that is called rugae, and unfolding of this rugae will be there when the stomach is going to be filled with the food material. So expansion of the stomach and constriction of stomach is because of the muscle layer which are present in the rugae. Okay, right answer is C for the first question. Yes, Manohar, welcome to the class. Good evening. Namaste. So answer is C for first question. Second question: the backflow of fecal matter in the large intestine is prevented by the presence of what? The backflow of fecal matter in the large intestine. So which is the wall material? It is called ileocecal wall. Ileocecal wall. So what is this ileocecal wall? So if you take a large intestine portion, this is the rectum and colon and rectum, and here the small intestine will going to meet, isn't it? The small intestine will going to meet here. This is the small intestine portion, which is highly coiled. Now coming to the end of small intestine and starting of large intestine. Small intestine last portion is called ileum. The small intestine last portion is called ileum, and large intestine starting portion is called cecum. So ileum and cecum togetherly going to attach with each other. There is a connection is there. It is called ileocecal region, and here we can observe strong muscle band or the wall that will prevent the backward flow of that fecal matter or non-digested matter into the small intestine region. We know that small intestine is divided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum. So right answer is C. It is called ileocecal wall. Okay. So there are different walls to prevent the backflow. So from the stomach into the esophagus, that is cardiac sphincter. From small intestine back into stomach, that is the which sphincter? Pyloric sphincter, isn't it? And anal opening, it is having anal sphincter. So these are sphincter refers to, it is the valve or gate that will prevent the backward flow of that food material or fecal matter, whatever it may be, in the particular region. So right answer for second one, C is the C. Okay, yes Manohar, you are right. Next question. In human body, the role of bile salt in digestion. What is the importance of bile salt in the case of human digestion? Third question. It is important with the emulsification of fat and facilitate their absorption. So emulsification of fat. What is this emulsification? Detergent-like action of detergent-like action of bile salt on lipid molecule. So that is what and the emulsification. So only the emulsified fat will undergo further digestion under the action of pancreatic lipids. Okay, so emulsification is important. So bile salt play an important role which is from the gallbladder, and liver will going to store, and later it will going to be given to the duodenum portion of the small intestine, isn't it? So that is important with respect to the following function. So answer is B for the third question. Yes, Shishika, welcome to the class. You are right. B is the right answer. Next, fourth question. With reference to normal human being, which one of the following statement is not correct? Means a wrong statement regarding with the normal human being. So fourth one, it is A. Human saliva is slightly alkaline. No, human saliva is what? It is neutral. An adult human may secrete 1 to 1.5 liter of saliva. Saliva is secreted by 6 pairs of salivary glands. The human being, the salivary enzymes break down cooked starch into molecules. All the statements are right statement, and the first statement is not correct. Okay, it is not correct statement. Okay, so answer is A for fourth one. Fifth one, emulsification of fat will not occur in the absence of what? So for the emulsification of what is the important needed thing? For the fifth question, it is C, that is the bile salt. Bile salt is very much essential for emulsification of fat. So larger lipid molecule will become smaller in size, so surface area will going to increase for the action of pancreatic lipase onto the small lipid molecule. If the lipid molecule is big, difficult for the pancreatic lipase to digest. So for that reason, the large lipid molecule will become fragmented. In the presence of bile salt, result in the formation of smaller lipid droplets. This is called micelles, and onto that micelles we can observe the action of pancreatic lipase. So that will going to facilitate with respect to digestion of lipid molecule. Okay, so right answer for the question number 5, it is C. Yes, Shishika, you are right. For fourth one, it is A. For fifth one, it is C. Yes, Jyotika, welcome to the class. Namaste. Good evening. Next question. Trypsinogen is converted into active trypsin by the action of. Trypsinogen into trypsin is by the action of what? It is the enterokinase. So for the sixth question, it is C. Okay, so fifth question, it is C. For fourth question, it is one second. For fourth question, it is, I think I clicked on wrong thing. So actual answer for fourth question, just a minute, slightly alkaline. Okay, means 7.2 or 3. So right answer is for fourth one, it is C. Okay, saliva is secreted by 6 pair of salivary glands. It is not 6 pair, 3 pairs of salivary glands. That is wrong. Okay, for fourth one small correction. For fourth one, C is the right answer. Okay, and for the fifth one, it is C once again. For the sixth one, it is C. For fifth, fourth, fifth, sixth question, C is the right answer. Enterokinase is the activating enzyme. It will going to convert the trypsinogen into active trypsin. Trypsinogen is a inactive form, isn't it? Inactive. So trypsinogen is going to be converted into trypsin, so by the activating enzyme, that is the enterokinase. Yes, Jyotika, you are right. Sorry, Shreyas, you are right. Shreyas, yes, welcome to the class. Good evening, namaste. Next question. Characteristic of mammalian liver is, what is the major character, unique character of mammalian liver? Presence of glycan capsule and von Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells is also called von Kupffer cells. So glycan's capsule is the capsular structure where the chain of radiating liver cells are going to be present in numerous number. So here the structural and functional unit of the liver is a Gleason's capsule with the complex of radiating chain of that particular part. It is the cell of liver. It is the hepatocyte. Hepatic cells are present in that manner and going to form the Gleason's capsule. So Gleason's capsule, it is present with the von Kupffer cells. Von Kupffer cells are important to degrade the or digest the unwanted or worn out RBC. Okay, so right answer is C. Yes, Jyotika, you are right. Yes, for the previous question it is enterokinase. Both are right. Next question, graveyard of RBC. Graveyard means a complete digestion of RBC, worn out RBC or date bird RBC. As we all know that RBC is with 120 days of lifespan. So that graveyard of RBC, it is a spleen, complete digestion or complete metabolism of dead RBC or date bird RBC will going to be happening in the case of spleen. Okay, right answer is spleen. Starting is liver and ending is in the spleen. Then Sphincter of Oddi, that is the 9th question, isn't it? Yeah. Sphincter of Oddi guard what? That is the hepatopancreatic duct. So if you take the C-shaped duodenum portion, here you can make out the presence of one duct. It is from the liver. This is from the liver. Okay, and here we can observe the another duct which is originating from the pancreas, and joined together to form hepatopancreatic duct here, and it will get open to the wall of duodenum. So this is going to be guarded by, this is from the liver, it is from the pancreas, isn't it? Pancreas. Now this duct will going to be guarded here in this region. It is by it is by Sphincter of Oddi, or it is also called Sphincter of Oddi. Okay, it is not pancreatic duct, it is hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, Jyotika, yeah, okay, got it. You want to separate, yeah, hepatopancreatic duct. So opening of the hepatopancreatic duct to the duodenum portion of the small intestine were guarded by, or it is with the valve. It is called Sphincter of Oddi or Sphincter of Oddi. Next question, which of the following statement is true regarding digestion and absorption of food in human being? Digestion and absorption of food. Here the right answer for this one is C. And chylomicrons are small lipoprotein particles that are transported from intestine into blood capillary. So that is the true statement regarding with our digestion. Okay, right answer is C for 10th one. Yes, Jyotika, thank you. Next question, complete the equation. What is this? Nucleic acid in the presence of nuclease enzyme that gives nucleotides, and later what it is going to be there. Once again, if you take nucleases, nucleotides are converted into what? It is nucleoside, isn't it? Nucleoside that gives nucleotide. Nucleotide will going to form nucleic acid. So polynucleotide chain, many nucleotides are arranged together to form polynucleotide strand. That is nothing but in the case of DNA double helix, you can make out polynucleotide strand. Here nucleotides are going to attach one with another one, so it will going to form one strand, and there will be another strand like that. So this will going to coil with each other to form DNA, isn't it? Form DNA structure. So the right answer for this question is the nucleoside. So nucleic acid, DNA, after the action of nuclease enzyme, it will give nucleotides, and nucleotides once again going to give the nucleoside after the degradation of that one. So right answer is D for 11th one. Yes, Jyotika, you are right. Yes, Kaveri, the video clear barta illa, that is because of internet issue from your side, not from my side, okay? Better you would go and sit in a proper place where you will get a good internet speed. For YouTube, because of that poor internet facility, the blur vision will be there, okay? Make that one in correct manner, okay? Make it correct. Alright, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. So yes, shares. ಅದೇ that is the problem. ಅದು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ಲರ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಈಗ ಹೇಗುಂಟು, ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತದಾ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಓಕೆ. ಯಾ, maybe the network issue. Okay, I will continue. Brunner's gland is present in where? In which part of the digestive system? So it is the duodenum portion of the intestine. So it is the intestinal gland. Brunner's gland is the unicellular intestine gland. Okay, intestine gland, and it is unicellular gland. It is not multicellular gland. It is present in the C-shaped duodenum portion of the small intestine. That is the starting point of the small intestine in that region. Okay. Next question number 30. HCl is secreted by, how or from which cell HCl is secreted? It is by the oxyntic cell. So this HCl is from the oxyntic cell, one of the cell of gastric gland. So it will going to produce HCl, and it will going to maintain the acidic pH in stomach. So in the stomach, acidic pH is because of that HCl production from the gastric gland, one of the gastric gland here, oxyntic cells, that will going to produce HCl. So 13th one, C is the right answer. Yes, Jyotika, for 12th one, B is the right answer. Okay, next question. Crown of teeth is covered by what? Crown is the exposed part of the teeth. So if you take a teeth portion, so here you can observe the root system for that teeth. Just a minute. Yes, here the exposed part, it is called what? Crown of the teeth is covered by. Crown refers to exposed part. So 14th one, it is by enamel. So here we can observe the enamel. So the teeth is embedded in the jaw skeleton, isn't it? Only this much portion of the teeth is exposed. Remaining part of the teeth will be there embedded inside the jaw socket, isn't it? So the exposed portion, that is the crown. So it is having a crown. The exposed portion is the enamel, that will going to cover the crown. So crown, then a small neck and root. These are the different portions of the teeth. Next one. Yes, Kaveri, you are right. Oxyntic cells. Yes, Shreyas, you are also right. And 15th question, read the statement 1 and 2. Here, the human small intestine is the longest portion in the alimentary canal. Absorption of digested food requires a very large surface area. So both the statements are right, isn't it? Both statements are correct. Okay. And second one is the correct explanation for the first one. Okay. So both the statements are right. Second statement is the correct statement which is going to support with respect to statement first. Next, in humans, digestion is what? In which type? Intercellular, intracellular, extracellular, both A and B. So 16th one, it is extracellular. Digestion of the food material is happening outside of the cell in the digestive canal or gastrointestinal tract, GIT, or gut portion. Okay. Next question. Common passage for swallowing the food and breathing is which one? So if you take the part of the mouth and later we are with the, so this is the mouth cavity, here is the pharynx, isn't it? Pharynx, next is the larynx, and food pipe is going to bifurcate with the windpipe, isn't it? One is the windpipe, another one is the food pipe. Now pharynx ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ larynx ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So common passage for food and water, am I right? Yeah, food and air. Common passage for food and air, it is the pharynx alva. So here the nasal, this is the mouth, and nasal region will be there from here. So we can observe a common passage for air and food, that is the pharynx portion. Larynx portion will going to bifurcate the food pipe and windpipe. So right answer is B for 17th question. Yes, for 16th it is C. Yes, Kaveri and Jyotika, you are right. And for 17th question it is B. And what about 18th one? Cardiac sphincter protects backflow of food. How? It is going to protect the backflow of food into esophagus. So cardiac sphincter, if you take esophagus and later the stomach, isn't it? Here is the stomach. Now coming to this stomach region, this is the cardiac region. Okay, here we can observe the sphincter. It will going to prevent the backward flow of food from stomach into esophagus. Okay, it is called cardiac sphincter, the valve which is present in that area. Yes, Jyotika, for 17th one is the right answer. Next, 18th is the right answer. And 19th one, the process of conversion of excess of carbohydrate into fat is known as. Addition of carbohydrate is converted into fat. What is the terminology for that process? So 19th one, it is also called lipogenesis. Excess of carbohydrate into fat. So fat is going to be produced, lipid, fat, genesis, formation of lipid from excess carbohydrate, and it is in the it is going to be stored in the under surface of our skin. Then the pH of pancreatic juice is, what is the pH? Pancreatic juice, it is almost about 7.5 to 8.5 pH. That is nothing but what? Acidic or basic or neutral. It is the basic pH, isn't it? Yes, for 19th one is the answer. Next, 20th one is the answer. For 21st question, the enzyme which breaks dipeptide into amino acid. The enzyme which breaks dipeptide into amino acid are called what? What is that enzyme? It is the dipeptidase. Dipeptidase will going to convert dipeptide into amino acid, the individual unit of protein. Then the middle part of small intestine is known as. First part is the duodenum, last part is the ileum. Middle part of the small intestine, it is called, 22nd question, it is the jejunum. So duodenum is the smallest portion. Next portion, middle portion, jejunum, and longest portion is the ileum in the entire intestine, irrespective of large and small intestine. Next one, The fold of empty stomach are known as what? The fold of empty stomach, I am talking empty stomach. It is called what? It is called gastric rugae. Usually it is called rugae. Here related with the our stomach. So it is called gastric rugae. Yes, he is the right answer for the previous question also. For 23rd it is A. For 21st it is A. For 22nd it is a B is the right answer. Next question number 24. Kupffer cells are what? Von Kupffer cells which are present in the liver, isn't it? So how it will going to work? Whether it is phagocytic reaction, non-phagocytic, whether it is a myosin or fibrin. So 24th question, it is phagocytic in function. So it will going to engulf the foreign particle, unwanted particle, and also dead RBC, and intracellular digestion of that RBC will be there. So 24th question, it is A is the right answer. Yes, Kaveri for 21st question, A. For 22nd is B. Okay. Next 25th question. Which one of the following pair of kind of cells and their secretions of are correctly matched? 25th it is A. Okay. Oxalic cells, a secretion with the pH between 2.0 to 3.0, that is nothing but HCl. Gastric cells, isn't it? HCl is going to be produced. 23 is A, 24 is A, and 25th also it is A. Next question. Lacteals help in the absorption of what? What is this lacteals? It is the lymph vessels. Lymph vessels which are present in the wall of small intestine. Okay, and it is important for the absorption of fat, digested fat in the form of glycerol and fatty acid. So for 26th question, A is the right answer. Then 27th, succus entericus is what? What is the alternate term for succus entericus? It is called intestinal juice. Intestinal juice is also called succus entericus. Okay. So note ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು, pH, enzymes, these are very important. Then parts, valves, different valve or sphincters. Okay. Then coming to the point of human teeth, diffeodont, heterodont, thecodont. Then functions of the teeth, functions of tongue, different salivary gland, different glands of intestine. So all those things are having their own importance, significance in the digestion. So digestion is one of the important chapter under KCET and first year board exam. Okay. Next question. Digestion word means what? What is the basic meaning of digestion? It is nothing but hydrolysis of food. In the presence of water, breakdown of food material by the action of enzyme. That is what digestion word. Okay. Another two questions are remaining. I will complete there. Yes. So maximum absorption of water occurs in which part of the intestine? Whether it is large intestine, small intestine, or in the large intestine, colon or rectum. So 29th it is colon. So colon is divided into ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, isn't it? This is the ascending, this is the transverse, this is the descending colon. This is the ascending, this is the transverse colon, and this is the descending colon. So right answer is A for 29. And 30th one, secretion of pancreatic juice is stimulated by what? Yes, 27th A is the right answer. 28 C is the right answer. Yes, Jyotika, Kaveri, you are right. And next, the last question, 30th one. Secretion of pancreatic juice is stimulated by which hormone? It is the secretin. Secretin is the hormone. It will going to govern with respect to secretion of pancreatic juice. Means control of secretion of juices from pancreas. Pancreas is a heterocrine gland. The exocrine portion will going to produce the enzymes, the juices, etc. Endocrine portion will going to produce the hormones from the alpha, beta and delta cells. Listen. So that is about the questions. So 30th one answer is B. It is not Kaveri, it is not. Yeah, for 30th one, it is not A, it is B. So if you want more, you can have the plus course subscription. And best plan for Karnataka CET, myself I am taking this plus course along with my special classes. Special class is for free. For plus course and special class, how to enter? First of all, you have to download the Unacademy app from the Google Play Store, install it, and under search go, select state CET under which Karnataka CET. Under that Karnataka CET, use my code to enter into my special class as a new active learner by using this code KCET Murali. So of course special class is free, but for the entry you have to use this code. And second one, comprehensive batch. For the plus course subscription, same procedure. Under subscription you have to pay the money and this you can use this code to get 10% off. Okay. And Masters batch for KCET 2021, we started from 15th. So in plus course, whether it is a Masters batch or comprehensive batch, whatever, you will get a detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz. Okay, with respect to that particular topic. Okay, that is very much essential. And comprehensive batch, then best plan for KCET and daily T20 practice questions, so that you can have this questions, so you can grab the questions, you can collect the questions, so that you can work out on these questions. Okay, so champion batch for KCET. So thank you, see you again in the next class, and my next class will be on 20th of this month at time is same 9 p.m. It is on ecosystem. Okay, ecosystem topic. That is on 20th of this month. Tomorrow I am taking one special class at 2 p.m. and the topic it is related with the our plant respiration. That means our first PUC plant physiology topic. Okay, that is what tomorrow's special class at 2 p.m. Okay, thank you one and all. Good night to all.